Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featuring crystal white Trico with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, power sunroof, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, as well as the liftgate controls down below. Moving on to the seats here, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar. We can hop inside. Just to the left here, we have the power park brake and the head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side here, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and on the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can go ahead and turn the vehicle on. Take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Navigation, here's the map, and it's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera with the HD surround vision as well. Below that, we have our climate controls with heated and vented front seats, some storage. We have our infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top here, we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some XT6 and Cadillac badging, as well as the all-wheel drive. Open up the back, we can just double click. It's gonna pop open for us. We have a good amount of storage space back here. We have some hinge storage underneath. Just to the right, you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space. Lights up at the top here for some extra visibility, and we can close it by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, powered window, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the manual seating adjustments, and we can hop inside. We have magazine holders at the back of each seat, rear climate control, down below 2 USBs, and at the very bottom, pull-out cup holder with some extra storage. Up top, we have handles paired with a dome light and a vent, matched on the other side. And in the third row, we have vents as well as a light on either side. Cup holders with a USB-C as well. And here are the seats. You get a great view of this power sunroof. And here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.